Hey there, digital creators. Welcome back to the Smart Dev Coder, the channel where creativity meets technology. Today, we are diving into an exciting technique extracting a signature from a JPEG using the red channel selection. Whether you are a designer, photographer, or just a curious mind, you will find this trick very super handy. Let's get started. First, let's open our image in a Photoshop. Okay. Here we have a classic example, an artwork featuring a textured background with a bold signature. Okay, let's open it. You can see there is a texture background and a bold signature above it. Now our focus is on the red channel. Okay, to isolate that signature, we will leverage the power of channels. Start by heading over to the channels panel. Here the channels panel is there. If you don't find it on your screen, just go to window and select the channels here. Okay. Okay. After going to the channels, click on the red channel. Okay. Click on the red channel. And you will notice it stands out the most. The goal is to make the background disappear and highlight the signature. Okay. So here we are still seeing some texture background here. Now press Ctrl L on your keyboard. Ctrl plus L on your keyboard, which will open the level window. Adjust the levels so that the background will be lighter and our signature will be highlighted like this. Okay. We'll just adjust little bit less so that our signature will be somewhat grainy. Okay. If you adjust fully, it is becoming very thick, losing its original signature details. Okay. Okay. This is the correct one, and we can adjust this to little more. Okay. Now click OK. Next thing is what you have to do. You have to select this one, load channel as a selection. Click on it. Okay. Now you select the RGB channel again. Go to the layers and press Ctrl Shift and J on your keyboard. Sorry. Before that, what you have to do is you have to do Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection. After inverting the selection, you just press Ctrl Shift J on your keyboard. Now you can see we will disable this background layer here, and we have a layer 1 with the signature over it. So for the better visualization, what we will do is Control Shift N. It will create which new layer here, and we will fill that layer by pressing Shift F5 and select the white here and click OK. See, now you can see our signature is looking very good and standard out. Now you can save this in the PNG format. Okay, you can see the signature is freely movable because it's in a separate layer. Now you can save this one with the PNG format. For that, what you have to do, press C on your keyboard and adjust the frame, that is this layout, to fit the signature width and height. Then press enter. Again press V so that the crop tool will disappear. Now press Ctrl Shift S and select PNG and save it as PNG file. That's it. Now you can import that one in any Word file and you can use. If you are using any latest versions like Adobe Photoshop 2005 like that, you don't get an option to save as a PNG directly if it is in layers. Okay, for that what you have to do is you have to press Alt Control Shift and S. Here select the PNG format, PNG 24, and save it. Okay, then save it. That's it. So what we will do, we will import this one in Word and see how it looks. Blank document. And we will insert a text box here. And we move it here and we type it. Yours faithfully, Smart Dev Coder. Okay. Now we will insert the signature here. Again, we will go to insert and we will insert the picture from this device. And we saved PNG file here. Okay. You can see now it has appeared here. Okay. You can adjust like this and make this one appear like this or like this, so that it will don't disturb the alignment of the text. Okay, and we will remove the filling outer layer, no fill. Okay, outline, no fill. So now you can see it's looking very natural and very realistic. This is how you can use your signature in PDF documents without losing the detail or doesn't look like a scanned one. Okay, thank you for watching. And that's a wrap. As you can see, using the red channel is a straightforward yet powerful way to extract signatures from images seamlessly. Give it a try and unleash your creativity on a whole new level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other tips and tricks you would love to learn. Thank you for watching. This is Smart Dev Coders signing off.